Hello all you guys, here's this guy's Lucky, and today we are back in Lucky City, and today we are building a boat dock. Okay, and we are building a house, maybe a house for Jimmy, since he keeps on dying right here, and we are building a dog house too. So yeah, I've already started on it a little bit, but I'm making it a fancy boat dock, so yeah, it's gonna take a little bit. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is make it 2 layered on the outside, 3 layered on the outside, 3 layered. I'm gonna make it like this so it's equal. This. There. Yeah, there, sheep. Okay. Oh yeah, guys, I'm really sorry about being offline. Hopefully, if you've seen other videos, you would know that. So yeah, I'm really sorry. I've been very busy, and yeah. Finish it. There. Looks very good. Should build one right here, though. Should I build another one or not? I think 2 is enough. This will hold 4 boats. Okay, so I'll bring you guys right back. I'm gonna go get some wood. Okay, we are back, and there I got all the stuff that we needed for our boat dock, and I do have a pretty good idea what I am doing. Pretty good, but not the greatest. Okay, so I'm gonna get all this stuff, all this fenced. Get all this fenced. Do I have enough? Okay, I have a lot of wood on me anyway. There. 4, okay. There. Then I'm gonna put on every 2, I'm gonna put torches so mobs don't spawn on it, and it looks good. Oops. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna put all the torches on here. There. Looks beautiful. Put this on there. Then I put this on there. There. There's the boat dock. Okay, now I just have to make some boats. Where are the boats at? Boats. Boop. Boop, boop. Oh, it has to be 2 deep. Oops. Get that in there all the way. There. Okay, I'm gonna put a second boat. Those boats are just for later, just in case they break. Looks very nice. I just have to get those boats right. Looks bad. But okay, so got that done. And I'm planning on making streets to my house. But I'll do that in a later video. And there's my mine right over there, so I might as well just make a boatway over to that mine. Okay. So Should we make a house for Jimmy or make a dog house? Both sound pretty good, but got this done. What should I do? After the boathouse, think about moving this nether portal somewhere else so we can make another room. I'm gonna take this out. I do need to finish my enchantment. I just enchanted. Efficiency 1 and breaking 1. Okay. What? How should I build this doghouse? I'm getting all this wood out of here. I think next video I'm gonna make a house for Jimmy. But I know what I should build. Oh, that would be cool. A lighthouse. I will start on the lighthouse for this video. That would be a lighthouse. That's the best. Okay, so I'm gonna make it out of wood. I'm pretty sure. Should I build it right here? How much wood do I have? Enough to start it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 4, 1. Oops, I accidentally made that. 1, 2. Okay, I think this. Yep, this is how I want it. Okay, so I think this might be the end of this video. Okay, we got this dock done, and we're gonna build a lighthouse next video. See you guys later.